The problem is here a compound has following percentage composition: zinc 22.65, sulfur 11.15 and oxygen 61.32%, and remaining is hydrogen. And compounds, it means compounds relative molecular mass is 287 gram. Calculate its molecular formula. Assuming that all the hydrogen in the compound is present in combination with oxygen as water of crystallization. This is our problem. Let us start its solution. First find out percentage of hydrogen. Total we will consider 100. Out of 100, zinc this, sulfur this amount and oxygen this amount. So 100 minus percentage of zinc, percentage of sulfur, percentage of oxygen. Then solve it, 4.88. But this is the percentage of hydrogen. Okay. Now relative molecular mass means gram molecular weight. It is 287. Now what is told here? Assume that all hydrogen in the compound is present in combination with oxygen. Hydrogen is in combination with oxygen means H2O as water of crystallization. What is this water of crystallization? Just let us take an example. Hydrated copper sulfate, CuSO4.5H2O. So look here, these 5 molecules of water is in loose combination with 1 molecule of copper sulfate. So this 5 is its water of crystallization is 5. So in this compound also the total hydrogen is in combination with oxygen, that means as H2O. Here hydrogen is present as H2O. Okay. Now make the table. Element, percentage composition, atomic weight, atomic ratio or relative number of atoms. Last column there is no space, so I have written here last column simplest ratio of whole numbers. Elements given in this numerical: zinc, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. Zinc, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. Write down their percentage. Zinc 22.65, sulfur 11.15. 22.65, sulfur 11.15. Oxygen 61.32. Oxygen this. Hydrogen we got 4.88. 4.88. Atomic weight given. It is given here. Zinc 65, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. So write their atomic number. Zinc 65, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Atomic ratio or relative number of atoms means percentage composition by atomic weight. This by this. Solve it, 0.348. 11.15 by 32, 0.348. This by this, 3.83. 4.88 by 1, 4.88. Which one is the least number? 0.348. So divide all these 4 numbers with the least number. Simplest ratio of whole numbers. So which one is the least? 0.348. So 0.348 by 348, 1. And this is for zinc. So I have written zinc. Next one, sulfur. 0.348 by 348, 1. Next, oxygen, the number is 3.83. So for oxygen 3.83 by 0.348, 11. Hydrogen, atomic ratio 4.88. So for hydrogen 4.88 by that least number is equal to 14. So what is empirical formula? Zinc 1 atom, so Zn. Sulfur 1 atom, sulfur S. Oxygen 11, so O11. Hydrogen 14, so hydrogen H14. Find out empirical formula weight. Zinc atomic weight 65 plus sulfur 32. Oxygen how many atoms? 11 atoms. So plus 11, atomic weight of oxygen 16. So 11 into 16 plus hydrogen atoms 14. 14 into atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. 65 plus 32 plus this value plus this one. Solve it, 287. Now N is molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Okay. Molecular weight means it is given relative molecular mass means molecular weight 287. So molecular weight 287 and empirical formula weight, that is also 287, it is 1. So N 1. Next, molecular formula is empirical formula into N. Empirical formula, here I got ZnSO11H14. ZnSO11H14 into N. I have got N1. Look here, N is 1. So in place of N it is 1. So ZnSO11H14. So in this case we are getting that the compound has same empirical and molecular formula. But now I have not completed this one because it is mentioned that assume all hydrogen, look here, calculate molecular formula assuming that all hydrogen is present in combination with oxygen as water of crystallization. Clear? So here what I have written, all hydrogen is present in combination with oxygen as water of crystallization. That means 14 number of hydrogen atoms can produce how many water molecules? You have 14 number hydrogen atoms. So I can write like this, 7H2O. Water means H2O. I have 14 number of atoms for hydrogen. So 7 2s are 14. Understood? So this one must be there, 7H2O. Then remaining Zn, S and O here 11. Now to make 7 molecules of water, 7 oxygen atoms are involved here. So remaining total 11, 7 is out of 11 oxygen atoms. 7 oxygen atoms are involved in water molecule. So remaining 11 plus 7, 4. So it is O4. Okay, dot 7H2O. Look here, 14 hydrogen, so 7 2s are 14. Oxygen total 11, look here. Here 4 oxygen atoms, here 7. It is not into plus, it is addition. 4 plus 7, 11 oxygen atoms here. Is it clear?